Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really simple Navratri special meal. Now, there are so many restrictions during this season in terms of what you can eat. So you can't eat rice, no legumes, no ginger, garlic, and there's just not much really except maybe some fruits that you can have for energy. And what's great for energy is Gatorade, right? And what about Gatorade that you can eat? Well, that's what Sabudana or tapioca seeds are. And this Sabudana Khichdi will hopefully be your best friend when the fasting season starts. Let's get started. Now here's what the Sabudana or the tapioca looks like. It's little pearls of beads, and what you want to do is soften them up by soaking them in water. So go ahead and give it a quick rinse and then add some water to completely cover it, and then let that soak maybe overnight or at least 1 to 2 hours, or until they completely mush when you press them between your fingers. Then drain them with a sieve and just let that sit on that sieve with some paper towels or kitchen towels on the top until it's completely soft and fluffy. It should not have any moisture at all. You can also just spread that out on a large piece of newspaper if you like. Let this rest for about an hour or so, maybe more, or until it's really not moist at all. You really want it to be nice and dry, and that's gonna help make it as fluffy as it can be. Now to make the actual khichdi, we're gonna heat up some ghee in our pan here and then add in some cumin seeds. Now you might be thinking, what about hing? Can I have that? Well, no, you can't. So we're not gonna add that. But I'm gonna add in some dried red chili instead. I'm gonna use some diced potatoes and add that right in to that pan and then give it a really good toss. Toss that. Coat that completely in that ghee. By the way, if you want to turn this into a vegan dish, just use a plant-based oil like olive oil, coconut oil instead of ghee. Then just cover this and let those potatoes get nice and golden brown. With a good non-stick pan, this should be really easy on medium to medium high heat. Then after a couple of minutes, take that lid off, give it a nice toss, and now we want to wait for those potatoes to get some more color on the other sides and become completely soft. You can use a pinch of salt here if you want to help speed up that process as well. Now once the potatoes are completely cooked, nice and soft, then add in all of your unsalted peanuts. We'll use this time to finish crisping up those potatoes and roasting those peanuts at the same time. Then you want to turn that heat down, and then you want to add in all of that fluffy sabudana, that fluffy tapioca seed. Mix this all really well, and then just finish this with some fresh cilantro. Adjust for salt. Make sure you use rock salt because that's what you're intended to, and this meal is ready for you. I really hope this meal was a quick thing that you had the time to carve out from your day to be ready for your fasting season. So best of luck for all of that. If you want more videos just like this one, if you want more videos with sabudana, then let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys again on the next one, and hope you have a good time.